What's up, guys? We're here at the Phuket Nature Elephant Reserve, and today we brought a surprise for the elephants and also a donation for the park. So, Cam, how are you today?
I'm okay, doing good, thank you. Yeah, the elephants are absolutely loving this. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much to the XRP herd for this.
No problem. Thank you to you guys for all the support. We have raised around 12,000 XRP. From that, as we mentioned, we donate 40%. So come and check it out. I'm gonna send 604 XRP. 604. Session sending, verifying. There you go.
There it is.
Just in seconds.
Very much.